Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily fix iPhone black screen issue, force restart. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on this reputable website by herein.com. So the first step is that you might have a dead battery. So the first troubleshooting trick is to try making sure that your device is in fact a victim of the black screen of death and not a drained battery. So a drained battery can just look like this issue as well, so it's important to rule that out. The second step is to make sure there are no issues with the application. So malfunctions within the app's software can cause iPhones to have black screen of death as well. So make sure all apps are working properly and that your current iOS software is up to date. The third step is to force restart your iPhone. So if you haven't encountered issues with your favorite electronic devices before, you probably heard someone say, well, have you tried turning it off and back on again? It's true. So you just have to do a force restart. So just Google how to force restart an iPhone. It's really simple. Unfortunately, I cannot do it in this screen recording, so just Google how to force restart an iPhone, and this should most likely fix your issue. The first step is to enable iPhone into recovery mode. So connect your iPhone to your computer with the appropriate cable. On Mac with Mac OS Catalina or Open, and after that you need to follow all of these steps. The fifth step is you can run a factory reset. So you can Google how to factory reset an iPhone if putting your iPhone in recovery mode doesn't help as well. So yeah guys, this is how you can potentially fix your problem. If all of these steps don't work, you can take your iPhone to your Apple support care center or whatever you guys have there and tell them to repair your iPhone. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.